Why do habits, those seemingly insignificant daily tasks, wield such power over our lives, and why, despite our best intentions, do we find it so challenging to form new ones? Habits, as mundane as they may seem, are the building blocks of our lives. They determine our health, influence our wealth, and shape our identity. Our daily habits, often performed unconsciously, are responsible for the majority of our outcomes and the person we become. But why is it so difficult to create new habits even when we know they're good for us? In the fascinating world of neuroscience, a habit is a routine of behavior that is repeated regularly and tends to occur subconsciously. When we perform a habit, our brain goes on autopilot, saving its mental firepower for more complex tasks. This is why we can brush our teeth or make our bed without much thought. But to form a new habit, our brain must forge a new neural pathway. This requires conscious effort and repetition, and therein lies the struggle. Our brain, a creature of habit itself, resists change. It prefers the comfort of familiar neural pathways to the uncertainty of new ones. This is why new habits feel so hard to form. But what if we could make the process easier? What if we could trick our brain into accepting new habits without a fight? Here's where the science of habit formation comes into play. Borrowing from James Clear's seminal work, Atomic Habits, one can see that the secret to habit formation lies in making them easy, attractive, and satisfying. By creating a positive emotion associated with the habit, we can encourage our brain to adopt it. By making the habit easy to start, we can bypass the initial resistance, and by providing a reward, we can reinforce the habit. Picture this. You want to start exercising daily. Instead of setting a goal to run 5 miles every day, start with just 5 minutes. Make it easy. Then choose a form of exercise you enjoy. Make it attractive. Lastly, reward yourself after each workout. Maybe it's a refreshing smoothie or simply the feeling of accomplishment. Make it satisfying. By understanding the science of habit formation, we can hack our way to a better life. We can consciously create habits that serve us and gradually let go of those that don't. It's not about willpower, it's about strategy. It's about understanding how our brain works and using that knowledge to our advantage. In summary, habits are the unsung heroes of our lives. They quietly shape our destiny while we sleepwalk through our routines. But forming new habits need not be a struggle. By making them easy, attractive, and satisfying, we can gently guide our brain towards a better future. The power to change lies within us. It's time we wield it wisely. Remember, every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. So choose your habits wisely, for they ultimately form your identity. Subscribe if you are interested in your personal growth. As the subscribe now picture appears on the screen, let's take a moment to reflect on the power of habits. Just like subscribing to a channel for consistent content, think of your habits as subscriptions to your future self. Each habit is a subscription to a version of you that you aspire to become. Eating healthy? That's a subscription to a healthier you. Reading daily? That's a subscription to a more knowledgeable you. Exercising regularly? That's a subscription to a fitter, stronger you. But remember, the key to building this habit arsenal is consistency. Just like how subscribing to a channel is pointless if you don't watch the videos, forming a habit is futile if you don't stick to it. So as you hit that subscribe button, make a commitment to yourself. Commit to subscribe to your habits, to your future self. Let's use the power of habits to create the life we desire. In the next scene, we'll dive deeper into the importance of consistency in habit formation. Stay tuned.